May. This behemoth is located in North Korea and it was built in 1989. It has a seating capacity of 150,000 people and it spans in an area of around 2.2 million square feet. Biggest plane, the Stratolaunch. The Stratolaunch is a massive 500,000-pound plane. This jet is exactly like most passenger flights, but it spans 385 feet in width and will launch rockets that will use their own motors to push themselves into space. Biggest tree, the General Sherman. Sequoias are notably found in Sierra Nevada mountain range. The General Sherman tree, a type of a sequoia, is the world's tallest tree, which reaches 275 feet tall and is more than 36 feet wide. Sequoias may live for up to 3,000 years. Biggest flying bird, Royal Albatross. While there have been some other birds in history, the Royal Albatross, with its 11.4-foot wingspan, is certainly the largest flying bird today. 85% of their lives over the ocean. Biggest cave, Hang Son Doong. Vietnam's Phon Nha Bang National Park has the world's biggest cave, Hang Son Doong. It is made up of soluble limestone and it dates back between 2 to 5 million years. This cave is double the size of the world's second largest cave. Biggest shopping mall, the Dubai Mall. It is the world's largest shopping mall. It is a $20 billion complex with around 1,200 stores, 22 cinema screens, 250 luxury suites and 120 restaurants, cafes, an aquarium and an underwater zoo. It is also home to the world's largest acrylic panel. Biggest rock, Mount Augustus. Also known as Uluru, it is the world's biggest single rock. This sandstone spire is in northern Australia and it stands 1,142 feet tall. Uluru is a World Heritage Site. Biggest desert, Antarctica. The Antarctic desert is 5.5 million square miles in size. Antarctica is officially a desert according to NASA because it seldom rains or snows here. It is referred to as a polar desert. Biggest magnet, Large Hadron Collider. The Large Hadron Collider in Geneva, Switzerland remains the world's largest magnet. Biggest animal, the blue whale. The blue whale is the world's biggest mammal, weighing over 180 tons and reaching a length of up to 29.9 meters. They may feed up to 3,600 of krill in a single day. Biggest flower, Rafflesia arnoldi. The world's biggest flower grows in the woods of Indonesia, notably Sumatra and Borneo. It can reach a length of 3 feet and a weight of 15 pounds. What's the oddest part? It is a plant that feeds on other organisms and it smells like a corpse. Biggest bridge, Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. This Chinese bridge connects Shanghai with Nanjing and travels through various lakes, rice fields, rivers and other natural features. It is 102.4 miles long and 30 feet broad and it takes around 2 hours to cross it. Biggest swimming pool, San Alfonso del Mar. The world's largest swimming pool is located in San Alfonso del Mar, a private resort in Algarroba, Chile. This swimming pool is 3,320 3 feet long, holds 250 million liters of water and spans over 20 acres with a maximum depth of 11.5 feet. The pool's water source is the Pacific Ocean. Biggest fruit. The jackfruit. It is the biggest fruit in the world and it may weigh up to 35 kgs, having a length of 90 cm and a diameter of 20 cm. Jackfruits are abundant in magnesium, dietary fiber, vitamin B6, antioxidants and have a very little fat, making them an extremely healthful fruit.